Hey guys, how's it going? Today is Saturday, December 7th, 2019. And yeah, I'm on my way back from Long Island. Had a really good visit with family. Today we're going to get home in the afternoon here, early afternoon, probably about 2 o'clock I'll be home. And got to get the truck ready to go back to work. Got to get the heat on in it, put on the S-bar heater and check the truck out. I need to sweep out the trailer and do some laundry and get some stuff together so I can get back to work. So we'll be headed up to Latham later tonight to park so we can get a 10-hour break in before we load tomorrow morning to head down to Huntsville, Alabama, which we'll deliver on Tuesday morning. Yeah, so we had a really good visit down in Long Island. Really enjoyed my time with my mom and all three of my sisters and my stepfather. We had a really good visit. Wish I could have stayed a little bit longer, but time to get the wheels of commerce turning again, get some revenue coming back in. I'm off a week today, so time to get back to work. We got Christmas coming up here, and what are we, about 17 days away from Christmas, I think. So probably gets pretty slow, especially this year. Probably be slow because the holiday falls right in the middle of the week. Not really sure what's going to happen with these loads, if there's going to be a Sunday pickup the Sunday before Christmas, because that would mean be delivering on Christmas Eve. Got a feeling that they might want, if they do have a Sunday, they might want a team and have it delivered Monday. So I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. If there is a solo run on that Sunday, then that would mean I'd be in Alabama on Christmas Eve. And definitely would not be home for Christmas. But we shall see. The biggest thing is I would do the run. But the biggest thing I'd want to make sure is if I had something I could pick up Christmas Eve, so I would at least be moving instead of sitting somewhere for Christmas. That would be would not be a lot of fun to just be sitting around waiting to get a load over Christmas. Anyway, and this time, unlike Thanksgiving, this time I already registered for the holiday meal, just in case. The Landstar will pay for your holiday dinner if you're on the road at any TA in Petro, and it's a coupon. I forget. I think it's. I don't remember if it was for 15 or 20 bucks. They'll pay for anything up to that amount. So I did go ahead and register, and you can print the coupon out at the kiosk at the truck stop. So if you end up not using it, it's no big deal. It's not like they spent the money. So I went ahead and did it this time just in case. Missed out on it on Thanksgiving. I waited too long. Well, I didn't actually know I thought it'd be home Thanksgiving. So by the time things occurred and I ended up getting that load, that it was too late to register for the Thanksgiving meal. Anyway, that's what we're doing today, and we'll see you later. All right, guys, it is late Sunday. So I got home about 1:30 and got all my chores done around the house and stuff I needed to get done on the truck here to get ready for work, which included sweeping the trailer out and getting laundry done and getting the heat on in here and things put back in the truck. This time of year it gets so cold up here, I like to take all the freezables out of the truck, so it's kind of a pain in the ass, but you're better off because a lot of times it'll take a day or two for stuff to thaw out, it seems like. Anyway, we're on our way up to Latham. We got a little bit later start than I really wanted to, but we'll be in Latham by 11:30 at the latest. And so that's cool. We usually don't load till about 10 o'clock in the morning if everything goes good. Not really feeling all that good tonight. I'm kind of feel like I'm getting a cold or a flu or something. Kind of had a sore throat yesterday and very congested this morning, and I've been getting a runny nose on and off tonight and kind of achy and feel like I had a little bit of a fever maybe, and so hopefully I don't get too sick. I won't feel like driving down to Alabama. Probably have to take a couple of naps or something on the way. Yeah, I usually like to get to Huntsville, Alabama on Monday night and unload first thing Tuesday morning, but technically I can get there as late as 3:30 in the afternoon on Tuesday, so I do have extra time, so if I do get feeling real bad, I can take an extra break on the way down there. But we'll see. Maybe a good night's sleep tonight and we'll be in better shape. It was 5 degrees at my house when I left, and we're up to 13 here. We're actually higher in elevation, so I have to climb up over this higher terrain here to get over to the highway from my house. This area right here is usually about the snowiest part of the area. We're just coming into Summit, New York, which is southwest of Albany, down I-88. Excuse me. This area here usually, when it snows, usually gets a little bit more snow, and it's usually a little bit colder here. It is supposed to warm up a little bit though in the next couple of days this week. I think Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is supposed to be a little bit warmer. Hopefully it'll get a little bit warmer, a little bit of sunshine, and melt some of that snow off my parking spot here for the truck. I made it out of the parking spot, but like if I had to go back there right now, I don't think I could get it into the parking spot. I was able to back up 20 feet or so and get a run at the snow that was built up in front of the truck. Probably had about a 30 or 40 foot space of snow that was not plowed and right in front of the truck out to the road, so if not, if it don't look like it's melting, I'll get the guy that plows my driveway to come down and clean off my truck parking spot before I get home at the end of the week. So this is the actual little town of Summit that we're in right now. Not much to it, don't blink. Yeah, so we got 50 miles left to go up to Latham. I do not have a load yet to pick up on Tuesday. I don't think I'm going to have any problems getting the load coming back up this way. So it should be should have this load. Yeah, it should be. Now it should have this load this Sunday and then one next Sunday. And then the following Sunday is the 22nd of December. So I don't know if there's going to be a load. It'll be for a, maybe they'll put up a load on Saturday for a team. Or maybe they'll run a team on Sunday to be there Monday. Because Tuesday will be Christmas Eve down in Huntsville. I don't know if the place is going to be open or... And then, two, trying to get a load that I can pick up Christmas Eve or Christmas Day might be difficult. Have to be something preloaded, I'm assuming. We'll see. I really don't particularly want to be working on Christmas, but that's how it works out. That's how it's gonna work out. Now, if they tell me ahead of time that there won't be any load on the 22nd, before I get a load back up the week before, you know, that week before that, instead of going from Huntsville right back up here, I could maybe go somewhere else and then come back up this way. Make a little bit longer run out of it and get home just before Christmas or something. That might work, so we'll have to play that by ear. Definitely feel like I'm getting sick. Oh, achy? Ooh, yeah. At least the weather's good. I mean, it's cold, but it's not snowing or anything. There's no wind, so. Took poor Bailey dog out before we left and carried her all the way out to where she usually goes to the bathroom and put her down. She can't stand on the snow more than about a minute, and then you got to pick her up because her feet get frozen. We tried two different types of booties on her, and she doesn't seem to be able to walk in them. So have to probably just keep carrying her out to her potty spot. Because if you take her right from the door all the way out to where she goes to the bathroom, by the time she gets there, her feet are froze when it's this cold. When it's 5 degrees outside, the snow surface gets pretty cold, so. Alright guys, we're almost here at Latham. Yeah, like I was saying before, I'm kind of not feeling good. I'm feeling pretty tired right now. Seems like if you have a cold or a fever, flu or something like that, it seems to always get worse at night. Alright, let's see. Looks pretty quiet here tonight. Get right up here in the truck parking spot. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today. And I'm getting all stuffed up here. I think I'm going to hit the rack here pretty quick. So I want to thank you for watching today, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Take care, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Bye for now.